Hi there, I'm Dan Pelosi, also known as Grossy Pelosi on Instagram.
Look at these little angels. Pelosi family pasta salad. Perfect bite. Look at this little guy.
Today we're making one of my absolute favorites, Bimpy's Escarole beans. Bimpy is the patriarch of our family. He's my dad's father. He is 100 years old. That's right, 100 years old. This recipe is one that he always makes. Swear it's always simmering on the stove. It's super easy, comes together in minutes. Now, I like to heat up my pot a little bit before I start cooking. It gets it nice and ready. I'm gonna take olive oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons here, but I never measure olive oil. About a tablespoon of fennel seeds. Fennel is a key ingredient to this soup. It already smells amazing. Now I have about 6 cloves of garlic. Just gonna smash them, and then I'm gonna peel them. I like to pop them in the soup whole. Okay, so I'm gonna you can hear everything sizzling. I'm gonna give this all a stir. I'm gonna start flavoring my soup with red pepper, with salt, and with black pepper. You just wanna do a few pinches as you go along. You need 2 heads of this. We're gonna make sure all these ribbons of escarole are soup size. I'm gonna pop it over to the sink for a moment and just give it a rinse. I've got my pot of water boiling. We're gonna add a big couple pinches of salt here. We're gonna add it in to the pot. We're gonna blanch it for about 3 to 5 minutes. It's bright, gorgeous, delicious. I'm gonna grab my strainer spoon. We're just gonna pop it right into this pot. I'm gonna grab 2 cups of escarole water. Place it aside so that I have it. This is 3 cans of cannellini beans with their liquid. Super delicious. So this is 6 cups of chicken broth, which I'm gonna throw into here. And this is really gonna fill my pot, if you know what I mean. I've got some of the reserved escarole water. Don't forget, this water was salted when we cooked the escarole in it, and it also has a little bit more of that escarole flavor, which the soup needs. I've got a delicious, crusty, gorgeous loaf of bread. I like to put it at the bottom of the bowl because I like all that broth to really sop into the bread. And then of course, the finishing touch, lots of Parmesan. It just doesn't get better than a little scatol of beans.